Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting what you need: your schedule, a map, and your student ID. Once done, open the school app or email to confirm room numbers and any last-minute changes. Make sure to note your homeroom teacher and the first period classroom so you don't wander in the morning. If a map isn't provided, draw a quick path from the main entrance to your first class. This gives you a concrete route to practice before the bell. Next, practice the walk between classes so you understand distances and landmarks. Once you've walked the route, time it. Make sure you know how many minutes you have and where shortcuts or bottlenecks are. If stairs or long corridors slow you down, plan an alternate path and test it. Make sure to locate the main office and a staff member you can ask for help. By rehearsing these middle steps, you reduce anxiety and arrive predictably on time. Finally, give yourself a buffer. Arrive 5 to 10 minutes early and confirm the room number and teacher. Once seated, introduce yourself and ask where handouts or online assignments appear so you won't miss info. Make sure your locker and next class locations are rechecked before the bell rings. If something goes wrong, if you can't find a room, head straight to the main office or ask any staff member for directions. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.